Dr. Radha Subramaniam. Today I am going to teach you an amazing trick to find hybridization. Okay, so you might have all heard about the hybridization, and quite a few of you find it really confusing how to find out the hybridization state. So applying by this simple trick, in most of the cases we can easily find out the hybridization. So I hope you all will find this method really easy, and try to follow me when I am saying this, and listen carefully. So first, before proceeding with finding out the hybridization and applying the trick, we have to follow a few steps here which I have written one by one for you. First step is you have to write valency of all elements in the molecule. So molecule contains different elements, so each of the elements valency you have to write. Then after writing it, you have to find the total number of valence electrons by adding it. Okay, first write independent individual valencies of elements in the compound or molecule, and then you add up the valencies together. Then after adding up, here is where the most important part of the trick comes. If the value is from 2 to 8, then you have to divide by 2, divide the total by 2. If it is between 9 to 56, means it includes 56, then divide by 8. If it is greater than 56, that is from 57 onwards, you have to divide by 18. Since in certain cases we cannot divide, so I will tell you what to do. Now first we will do one example and see how to apply the trick. Okay. Now we are taking NH3, N is nitrogen and H is hydrogen. So the nitrogen, what is the atomic number? It is 7. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration? 2 and 5. So outermost shell has got 5 electrons, so that is the valency. So nitrogen has a valency 5 and hydrogen has got 1. So what you have to do is nitrogen valency 5, write it here. For one hydrogen it is 1, there are 3 hydrogen atoms, so then it will be 1 into 3, that is 3. Now 5 for nitrogen and 3 for hydrogen, you add these two. 5 plus 3, how much you get? 8. So what did I say here? If you get from 2 to 8, you have to divide by 2. Add the total is 8. Okay, then divide 8 by 2, how much you get? 4. So if you get 4, then what is the hybridization? sp3. See, for S it is 1. P it is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4, that is what we get here, 1s and 3p. So NH3 hybridization is sp3. Clear? I hope you understand. Okay, let us do a few more sums so that you can know this concepts very clearly. Second one, we will try CH4. Again carbon atomic number is 6. The valency will be configuration is 2, 4. Valency of carbon atom is 4. Hydrogen it is 1. See, now we will write CH4. For carbon we write 4. See, this 4 outermost shell, that is the valency of carbon. Then for one hydrogen it is 1 and 4 hydrogen atoms are there. So 1 into 4, which is equal to 4. So how much is the total? Adding 4 plus 4 we get 8. Okay, so up to 8 you have to divide by 2. Clear? From 2 to 8 divide by 2. So we will divide 8 by 2, again we get 4, and again in this case also hybridization will be sp3. See, if you add these two you have to get 4, this number you have to get, that is S1 and P3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this value you have to get when you write the hybridization. So the hybridization of CH4 is how much? sp3. This is a very easy method. I hope you are following with me. Now we will try the next compound, which is BCl3, boron trichloride. Boron atomic number is 5. So what is the configuration? 2, 3. So this is the valency of boron. And for chlorine atomic number is 17. 2, 8, 7 is the configuration. Outermost shell has got 7 electrons. Fine. So now what will you write here? Boron 3. This 3. And for one chlorine it is 7. So 3 chlorine atoms are there. So 3 into 7, which is equal to 21. Okay, now add 3 and 21. 3 plus 21 is 24. So what did you say? If you get 24, see, 9 to 56, you have to divide by 8. Now divide 24 by 8. What do you get? 3. 3 means what is the hybridization? sp2. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. See, this 3 you have to get while adding. So sp2 is the hybridization of BCl3. Clear? All of you are following? Okay. Now we will do one or two more from this. For carbon dioxide, again carbon, it is atomic number is 6. So what is the configuration? 2, 4. Okay. Now what about oxygen? Atomic number of oxygen is 8. So 2 and 6. Okay. So here 4 electrons are in the outermost shell. For oxygen 6 are there. So what will you write here? For carbon 4. For oxygen 1 is 6. So how many are there? 2 oxygen atoms are there. So write 2 into 6, 12. Okay. Now what have you got to do? Add these two. 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12, what do you get? 16. So if you get 16, you have to divide by 8. 16 divided by 8 is, you get 2. Now what is the hybridization of CO2? sp, that is you have to get 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now moving on to the next one, IF7. So iodine and fluorine both are having 7 electrons. Okay. That is the 7 is the valency. Now for iodine 7, fluorine 7, 7s are 49. Now adding 49 plus 7, you get 56. So till 56, including 56, you have to divide by 8. Okay, don't forget. Only from 57 onwards you have to divide by 18. So this is what you have to do is divide by 8. So 56 by 8 is how much? 7. So you have to get 7 when you add for hybridization. S, first of all you write S, P, D. Now S will have 1. Okay, P maximum 1, 2, 3. So 3. 3 plus 1, 4. How much is left to get 7? 3 more. So sp3 D3 is the hybridization of IF7. Clear? Now the last one more thing we will do. So I said if it is not divisible by 2 or 8, what shall we do? We will just take IF5, slightly different from this. So again I is 7 and F is 7. I7, F is 5 into 7, 35. Now adding 7 plus 35, what do you get? 42. So if you get 42, what have you got to do? You have to divide by 8. So 42 is not completely divisible by 8. Okay, now what will you do? Here you have to apply the trick. 42 divided by 8, 5 times it goes 40, balance is 2. So since you are getting balance as 2, divide this with 2. So you get the remainder as 1. Now add the remainder with quotient. Okay, so add 1 and 5, you get 6. So write 6 here. Okay, this number is 6. Now hybridization, it will be sp3d2. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so for IF5 the hybridization is sp3d2. I hope you all understood this clearly and perfectly, and I think that you should be preparing well for your NEET exams, all of you, and many students are visiting our channel and watching all the videos, and we will be uploading such important tricks from various portions now that the exams are nearing, along with the solved question papers of the previous years, so that you can just try to attempt the questions and be well motivated. Don't lose hope. Okay, repeaters and re-repeaters, you all can do really extremely well. Don't be afraid in any case. You should have self-confidence in yourself. So prepare well, and I'll be soon uploading other important questions like this, especially for you. And again I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your overwhelming response by subscribing to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and thanks for watching.